Hurricanes hosting the Panthers. The Panthers are plus 180 on the money line. The Hurricanes are minus 220. The over-under, 5.5 goals. The Panthers getting a goal and a half on the puck line are minus 140, meaning if you bet them that way and they win this game outright, you win. They lose by 1, you win. And the Hurricanes laying a goal and a half on the puck line are plus 110, meaning if you bet them that way, they have to win this game by a minimum of 2 goals. Thank you for everyone who keeps joining the Discord. I really do appreciate you guys. If you've not done so yet, go to my website, rawsportstalk.com. Click on the memberships tab. It is a paid membership, but you will get my best bets, win, lose, or draw. You'll get to see how all of us are actually doing in there. Now, it's expected to have Bobrovsky versus Ranta. I've been using RotoWire, and they seem to have the most accurate NHL lineups so far for the preseason, but they're both expected, but neither one of them has been confirmed to start in net yet. Head-to-head, the home team is on a 2-game winning streak. The home team is 5-5. The Panthers are on a 4-game winning streak. The Panthers are 7-3 against the Hurricanes in their last 10 meetings, including the playoffs that they just played against them last year. The favorite is on a 2-game winning streak. The underdog is 6-4 on the money line, and the underdog getting a goal and a half on the puck line is 8-2. There have been 6 one-goal games in their last 10 meetings between each other. The under is 6-4 in their last 10. And the under 5.5 goals is 6-4 in their last 10. And in the last 4 games that they played against each other in the playoffs were all 1-goal games. I'm going to take the Panthers with the money line. I'm going to take the Panthers getting the goals, and I'm going to go under and just see if this is a new season and these stats translate, or if the Hurricanes have an axe to grind because they got bounced out of the playoffs by the Panthers. These are just my picks. If you disagree, please go with your gut, and please bet responsibly.